Go to Create Batch to set up a sub-recipe. Enter batch name and select batch sales category. Select product category as batch is also working as an ingredient. To add an ingredient, click the Add Ingredients button to display the ingredient field. Enter the appropriate quantity and unit for each ingredient selected in the preparation. Batches can be made from one ingredient or many. Repeat the same process for each ingredient. Enter the batch output and yield %. Batch output can be in liters, kilograms, or pieces of reference, and ensures that the output unit will not change in the future once the batch recipe is created. Batch can also be allocated under stock stores for inventory. Once all details are added, click on the Save Recipe. Created batch will be accessible through Product or Recipe List. Batch information can be modified through Edit Batch button. Info page will help to update procedure, presentation, and notes under the batch. Additionally, batch information can be printed.